Hi, my name is Ali Mohammed, and this presentation is data collection for the reporting of invasive species using GIS technology. This presentation is for GIS, the course GIS 504, GIS and Data Collection Technologies. The problem I looked at was invasive species in Ontario. In Ontario, invasive species are having a significant impact on the environment and the economy. They cost the province about $3.6 billion annually, whereas the amount spent on programs to control invasive species is around $4 million annually. Part of the issue is public knowledge about invasive species is decreasing. Less than half of Ontarians know how to report sightings. Increased reporting of sightings would help to facilitate a rapid response by the government to control species. GIS technology can be used to facilitate the reporting and tracking of invasive species, which allows for a rapid response of the relevant regulatory entity to control the outbreak. Getting the public involved in reporting sightings of invasive species by using platforms such as citizen science would help to educate the public about how these species impact on them and the environment. The screenshot shows an image of a map configured to log sightings of invasive species. The public can access this map on their mobile devices to record the location, species, and the date and time the species was sighted. So this application is customized to provide the user with information about the species cited to help build their knowledge about the organism. This in turn helps with a self-check that the correct species has been cited and reported. The screenshot shows the arcade expression used to provide the scientific name of the organism that has been reported by the user after the common name of the organism has been entered. The application has also been configured to provide the user with a sample image and a web page that gives information about the organism. In this case, the website serving the data is www.invasivespeciescenter.ca. On the screen, we see screenshots of the application and the application's data entry screens. Inputs are required from the person in the field. These are name, date and time of the observation, and the species are identified. After this data has been captured, inputs are then made when the data is being reviewed by someone else at a different time. And after the review of the information, the reviewer then logs his name, and this could be pre-configured. So if the reviewers are known in advance, and the names here are filled out in a combo box, and other data captured includes date and time of the review and if the data is valid. After the data has been logged, clicking on a point now shows the location, now shows the data that was entered by the user. This would be the person who would have spotted this species, the date and time the species was spotted, as well as the location of the species and the common name of the species. After that, the arcade expression also displays the scientific name, our uh, a web link that takes you to a website that has more information about the species, and also the arcade expression retrieves an image of the invasive species that was captured so that the user can now compare what the invasive species is supposed to look like versus the image of the organism that they had captured. A reporting dashboard has been configured for this application, and this helps to display relevant information and provide insights into the data. The center of this screen shows the location of each species reported by users of the application. The pie chart to the bottom left of corner of the dashboard indicates the proportions of different species making up the invasive species. The series chart in the top right corner of the dashboard indicates the actual number of species present. The charts provide insight into the species most prevalent in the surveyed areas. The heat map in the bottom right corner of the dashboard then shows where the largest groups of the invasive species are located on the map. So users will have to accept a privacy agreement before using the app and understand that their name will be associated with the contributed data, and they may be contacted by response agencies for additional information. So after this, I'll now present a live demonstration of or record a demonstration of the app being used. So I'll just go to the app now.